This is part three of Upending the Empire. We saw a phenomenon of foreign encroachment into China in the form of lending for construction of railways, and the foreigners controlled those railways, which were keys to how the country moved along. It was a precursor to the 1911 revolution. In 1911, in October, the local military garrison in Wuhan rebelled. Wuhan, by the way, is where the coronavirus started. So by the end of November, 14 provinces had ceded from the Qing Empire, and in January 1 of 1912, the Republic of China was established. It was led for only 45 days by Sun Yat-sen. Sun Yat-sen didn't play an active role in sparking the revolution. Yuan Shikai became the Republic of China's president after Sun, and he had a strong power base in North China. He gave Sun the opportunity to establish the nationalist party called the Kuomintang in August of 1912. Yuan Shikai ruled China till 1916 as military dictator, and whereupon he died. Yuan had the Kuomintang banned when he was elected president, and Sun took refuge in Japan. Yuan made an attempt to reinstall the exam system. Here's a picture of Yuan Shikai, and he died in 1916. China was a republic in name only. There was arbitrary political rule based on military power and behind-the-scenes brokering. There's an author named Lu Xun who wrote a book, AQ, a fictional account of a revolutionary who is not able to become a real citizen because he's uninterested. It's kind of a satire. How were China's AQs to be made into citizens? And here's a picture of Lu Xun, and that was taken in 1930, in September of 1930. He died in 1936. So in China in World War I, it was Japan versus Germany, and Japan had unique military opportunities to change the East Asia balance of power. Japan defeated Germany at the Kiaochao Harbor in Shandong Province, which is right here. That's Shandong Province. Here's a picture of Qingdao circa 1910, which is a street in Qingdao, which is in Shandong Province. Here's another picture of the governor's house built in 1903. Pretty fantastic. And that's in Qingdao. And this is the colonial headquarters in Qingdao. So a lot of German influence in Qingdao, and again, they were defeated by the Japanese. The Japanese presented China with 21 demands in 1915, and Japan was now the main threat to China's independence. There were 140,000 Chinese contract workers sent to Europe to help with the war effort, World War I, 1916 to 1918. China's Beiyang government declared war on Germany in 1917, and it shaped the evolution of Chinese diplomacy and foreign relations. The weakening of the European colonial powers allowed China more self-determination. Justification for colonial rule was challenged by new visions and values. Mohandas Gandhi, power of protest and civil disobedience in India versus British colonial rule. And the Koreans wanted independence from Japan, who annexed Korea in 1910. And I'm going to stop here with part 3, and we'll take it up again in part 4.